Today's Quranic word of the day is ma', which means water. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran that He has created all living things from water. وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. Modern science verifies that without water there can be no life. Earth is around 71% water, but only 2.5% of that is fresh drinking water. Water is one of the greatest blessings we have been given, and perhaps it's the one we take for granted the most. 1 in 10 people on earth live without clean water, and dirty water causes a death every 10 seconds. So those of us who have been blessed with clean water should be grateful and ensure we don't waste it, as the Prophet ﷺ forbade us from wasting water even from a river. And we should try our best to help those less fortunate than us in any way we can. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you've benefited from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the notification button so that you don't miss out on any new content, inshallah.